Like a nightclub in Soho.
It smells really good.
It's a nice bottle.
I'd wear it though, I'll tell you that.
I feel like I imagine this on you.
Really?
You could pull it off.
It's definitely not a
Beard that makes
daytime.
it feel like it could be pulled off.
Yeah, maybe the dangerousness that I was saying earlier.
I'm definitely not dangerous at all.
Wait, do you guys know that the two houses in LA by the beach, one's like black and one's pink? Never mind. Okay.
What part of LA?
It's like by the beach.
There's a little bit of beach. I'm gonna now be super scent oriented on dates, I guess. I'll be like,
Say that for the second date.
I probably shouldn't do that. That's why I'm not dating. This can't be on YouTube.
So it's Tom Ford Ombré leather. Smells like clean leather.
I was gonna say it smells fresh. I know you're saying nightclub, but I feel like I could wear this in the daytime.
This one is LoveShackFancy.
That one's a lot.
Whoa.
Just way more floral compared to the other one.
I feel like they're like polar opposites.
I want to say it smells like roses, but there are roses on the bottle.
Does it smell like a Love Shack?
And this is definitely
important.
sweeter.
You gonna see yourself wearing it or giving it to somebody?
No.
I think my sister would wear this.
I'd give it to my girlfriend.
If I had a girlfriend, I would maybe.
Manifest it.
What is this? Long Kiss Goodnight, Chris Collins.
Sophisticated.
Yeah,
I see you wearing this.
This is sophisticated?
Yeah, especially with the hair.
Yes.
This, this it works.
This smells like responsibility.
They wake up at like 7 a.m. every day.
Goes to the supermarket early and angry
going,
that it's
say
not
more.
open.
It smells really fresh.
That might be my fave so far. Top note of like Charlie.
Actually smells a little androgynous. I could
It can go
see.
either way, for sure. This is Maison Margiela Replica by the Fireplace. For you.
I need a little more. I feel like you missed my strip.
man. I like this. Like burnt wood or something
burnt,
like that.
but like not too strong either. It has like a soft element to it.
Cold campfire, sitting by
Yeah.
a sort of thing.
Yeah.
It reminds me of the holidays, but not a specific holiday.
Like
I
just
like
any
that. Just happy times.
pick a holiday. It reminds me of any.
Reminds me of the day before Thanksgiving.
Why the table?
Because like Thanksgiving, there's like food. It smells like food.
I mean, I think this one definitely just smells like the name. Smells by the Fireplace.
They did really well with the
100%, yeah.
naming.
What kind of
It's not-
fireplace are you sitting by when you smell this?
Wood burning.
I think I'm like alone in the middle of nowhere.
I like that usually when something smells like this, it's too strong, but I feel like I could wear this anytime. It's not overpowering. Like you wear it and it's like,
Green flags and a partner. I think somebody who smells good.
Yeah.
someone who's kind.
Somebody who has their stuff together.
I think someone who brings peace, for me, at least.
I also like a little adventure too.
I'm staying quiet. This is like going on YouTube.
You said you're single, so what
This is your chance to dance,
what do you,
Fred.
give
I'm
us
like-
something, like what are you into?
Next scent.
Last one.
So this is Lower East Side. I've never been to New York.
As a native New Yorker, I'll let you know.
All for sound.
How's the content?
You guys are
You all
killing
look
it.
amazing.
You guys are killing it. Seriously.
So does it smell like the Lower East
It
Side?
doesn't smell like New York to me. No. It smells
It
a lot.
doesn't quite smell like the Lower East Side.
It's
the
more
Lower-
friendly than the Lower East Side.
It smells like spring. Like a nice soap.
I don't know.
No Lower East Side.
You don't like it?
But it is nice.
I think I'm just stuck being in the Lower East Side smelling like this good. Just doesn't.
We should swap names here.
Really? The leather
This
one?
is more leather.
You know what? No, never mind. This one just smelled like New York. Like I think we all agreed.
This has more of a California vibe to me.
Are we in LA with this one?
Yeah, we're by the beach. We're in
Yeah.
the Palisades.
Eating somewhere in Malibu.
What's your favorite?
I picked Replica for sure by the Fireplace. This is number
Not
2
this
for me.
one?
No. I think that one's too manly for me. Too masculine. Like I kind of like that this one's a little in between.
What if you had to pick one for yourself and one for your partner?
I might go this one for my partner. I'd give this one to myself, the by the Fireplace, because I really, really like this one. And then I think I would give the Tom Ford to my dad, actually.
Ooh. Feels like a dad.
You know what I mean?
Fragrance.
It smells good and something that he could actually wear.
It looks really intimidating, but I feel like on like skin, it would smell really nice.
I'd pick this one for myself, the by the Fireplace. Diego, my partner, would definitely get the Tom Ford.
I would give the couple to myself.
The whole plate.
Like these two for myself for like daytime, and then I would actually do this in nighttime.
You don't think this for daytime?
No, that one smells good too, but I just love the combo of these two. This would be perfect for like my boyfriend.
Future partner, I would use that one and then probably just spray this in my wooden cabin somewhere in the forest or something. I do like the Boy Smells bottle. I think it's very cool. I have a friend who has a lot of fragrances. Maybe that would be a nice gift for her.
What friend is this?
Cut. It's just a friend. We all have friends.
I don't think I gifted my friend a fragrance before.
You guys aren't good friends. Have me as a friend. I gift you every single one of them.
I'm gonna take a page out of Gordon's book.
Go for it.
I heard you're not supposed to rub it. I don't know.
If you didn't get to smell any of them, which one would you choose just based off looks? You just saw it there and you're like, I have to grab something quick. I'm in the airport.
I'd probably keep walking.
Yeah, I gravitate towards this one.
I like the Tom Ford.
Yeah,
I'm
the
going that just because of the
Tom
sleek
Ford
black look,
bottle.
right?
Yeah.
I like the little leather that they put on.
I like that it looks heavy and it is heavy. Any closing thoughts?
No, I think I'm all tapped out. I spoke a lot.
I'm like sweating.
Janet, did I do my job right?